From the ground you rarely see us. Fly from above you barely see flight. We would eat you if we could. As you eat us so fairly we reconcile. Chased us out a meal, we'd be the creatures no one wants, yet we'd be the soul. We'll sing for you, we'll dance for you. Fly, burrow and swim. To know us is to know us in your simple steps. Let us be known, let us be seen. The small and sometimes large, not five-fingered creatures, yet will you own. Been trying to find food for a day. Calls like lightning you don't hear. Burrows like wind do you appear. We give you songs, we give you wings. Hummingbird flies, we got beauty so. What else can we do until you notice? We sing on roofs and dwell on mountains. Call us the best and the herd you hate. Staying, not leaving, we outlive you also. Walk as you walk, drive as you drive with no sight. Can't help but wonder sometimes if you just miss us, we hear. Been trying